Alright, this video is showing the process to replace a screen on an Acer ASPIRE V5-552-8404. The first step is to remove the bezel, which I've already done, but the way I was able to do it was using my fingernail and going over to this rubber bumper here and just kind of lifting it slightly, allowing me to get my finger under this side of the bezel, and it just popped off, and I slowly went around the edge. The bottom corners are the hardest parts. I kind of snapped this little piece right here, but it's still hanging on, so I'm going to super glue that. It should be fine. But it came off relatively easy. And that reveals the screen itself. And I have the replacement screen here. We went with the matte finish. The factory came with a glossy finish. Hopefully this is nicer. I have a screw set that I've had forever, a screwdriver set, and the bit that seems to fit the 4 screws the best is the one labeled PZ1. And I have really no clue what that means, but it fits it the best. So looks like there's only 4 screws that hold it in, and these screws are barely in there. I guess this screwdriver is not magnetic, so I'll have to deal with that problem, but let's zip through here. Let's see how fast we can get it done. Right, so here is the little tab here. Pull this out, and I must admit I've never done this before. At least not on this machine. I've worked on several laptops, but this one's actually pretty straightforward. So there's a little sticker. Piece of tape holding that on. Alright, that was easy enough. It's definitely not as glossy. And let's see. There is that snaps in. Left that piece of tape on there, which lays down nicely on the new screen. I push it down on the port itself. Let's see. the screws were barely, I'll just say they weren't tight when I took the bezel off, so be careful not to over tighten them. Probably crack the unit. My experience, anytime you take a messing with the screen, always tighten the hinge. See, it's real loose, and can only help. So I would suggest going around and tightening all the screws you see. I'm not going to tighten these too much because they're probably screwed into plastic. That one's pretty loose. They're all pretty loose. Alright. That seems to be it. I need to super glue my bezel, but go ahead and turn it on and see. I would say it is a success. Yeah, it looks good. The I like the matte finish over the glossy. Can't tell if there's a film over. Okay, this is a. Oh yeah. That's a huge improvement over the stock glossy screen. So success, easily done. Thanks for watching.